Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Today, in this video, we'll discuss about question number 21, NEET Physics paper 2015. Hello students, let us solve next question number 21. A ship A is moving westwards with a speed of 10 km per hour. Now, first let me draw the directions. East is the west, is the north, south. Ship is A is moving with westward. Westward is like that. It's moving westward in this direction with 10 kilometer per hour. And a ship B, this is the ship A, and B is 100 kilometers south of A, and a ship B, which is 100 kilometers south of A. This is south of A, 100 kilometers south of A. So from A it is 100 kilometers away, somewhere here. Is moving northward. That is moving northward with a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. The same speed is moving with. Suppose that it is here. It's moving with 10 kilometers per hour. Now this is your B. This is the ship B which is moving northward. The time after which the distance between them becomes shortest is. So this moves this way, this moves that way, and after that, so when it is here and when it is somewhere here, then that distance is shortest, otherwise the distance will keep on increasing. Both are having same speed, 10 km per hour, and the time is asked. The time, because we know that the speed is distance divided by time. So from here, time is distance over speed. If I consider the time, then this time can be obtained as the distance is given as which the time after which the distance between them becomes shortest. Distance is shortest, so the time is 100 divided by root 2 into 10 root 2. What is the meaning of that? As I told you that the distance is the time is distance over speed. The distance is 10 over root 2. 10 over root 2. So this is 100 kilometers. So therefore, this is 100 kilometer. Then 100. This is 10. This is 100. So it is 100 divided by root 2 into the speed is 10 root 2 because 10 and 10, and the resultant is 10 root 2. Resultant is 10 root 2. What I have to say is that if we think of relative velocity, that I'll keep this fixed and it provides the same velocity here. This will be at rest and this will be going down, so it is moving with 10 root 2. If I do this operation, this I give 10 here, this I have to give 10 here, then the resultant of these two is like this, that is 10 root 2. And the shortest distance is, suppose it is here, and that is the shortest distance, it's perpendicular distance. So this shortest distance is obtained by 100 divided by root 2. So if I solve this equation, that is in R, then this is 10 and this is 2, the answer is 5R, 5H. So if I see the options, the time after which the distance between them becomes shortest is 5R. Okay, south of A. So it is 5R. Okay, thank you.